Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you what all I received in my Glamego box for the month of July 2018. So this is how the Glamego box for this month looks like. Let's take a moment to appreciate how the box looks. I really like the concept of this. So it shows the different standards which the society has for the neckline of a woman's dress. And when we open the box, here it says #don't judge. So the first product is the Seisha Mud Hair Spa Kit. I already have a hair oil of the same brand which I had received in the last month's Glamego box. So let me know if you want me to film a video where I use the hair oil and then I shampoo my hair and use this hair spa kit, and I can review it for you all. The next product is a body mist and it's from BioBloom. This one is for all skin types and it says it's the Valley of Flowers and it's in the variant Orchid and Marigold. The smell is very floral and it's not too strong. I anyway like perfumes and body mists which don't have a very strong smell. The next product is the Saffron Radiance Cream from the Nature's Co. I have also received this in one of my previous month's Glamego box or Fab Bag and I really like using this one. I have also featured this product in one of my monthly favorites. So I'm very happy to get a second one of this. Next product is the Red Wine Sleeping Face Gel from the Nature's Co. This one smells like grapes and red wine is very good for the skin. And I love using moisturizing gels, so I'm very happy to get this. The last product is a makeup product. It's the Ellen Blue High Volume Waterproof Mascara. The Nature's Co. Red Wine Face Gel is worth ₹900. Now that's super expensive. The Ellen Blue Mascara is worth ₹599. The BioBloom Body Mist is worth ₹450. The Nature's Co. Saffron Day Cream is worth ₹550. And the Seisha Hair Spa Kit is worth ₹99. So the total price of all the products is ₹2,598. And you can get the Glamego box for ₹399. If you make a longer subscription, you can get even more discounts. If you want to order the Glamego box, then I should leave the online link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you in case you want to order the Glamego box. If it was, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's going to mean the whole world to me. Also, click on the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you're notified of all my future videos. Also, follow my blog, Instagram and Facebook for more such unboxings and reviews. And I shall see you next time. Until then, bye!
Never in my life did I imagine